Grand Design Transcend 200MK. This couple's trailer is only 25 feet long and midsize SUV towable to 20-pound propane tanks and power tongue jack with a light. Large pass-through storage with motion sensing lights and magnetic latches. 17-foot power awning and slip-roof aluminum stairs. Standard ladder on all Grand Designs with Furion backup camera prepped. .30 amp power with a spray port to hose down and a black tank flush. This trailer has a 5,268-pound dry weight and a 6,995-pound gross weight. It is equipped with 165-watt solar panel and charge controller. Large wood net that converts to bed for an additional 2 people. Well, look at that countertop space in solid wood cabinets and smart TV. Deep stainless steel sink, 3-burner stovetop and oven with microwave and 12-volt refrigerator. Medicine cabinet with additional shelving, a porcelain toilet, and reinforced shower floor with skylight and shower surround. Three large deep cubbies for towel storage. The 12-volt refrigerator offers deep shelving compared to traditional RV fridge. Full-size queen 60 by 80, so you can upgrade to your favorite queen mattress if you like, with underbed storage that stays open without holding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the link in comments or visit our website at whitehorserv.com for availability and full specs. You will love the space and quality of this Grand Design Transcend 200MK. Give us a call today. Please like and share. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, happy camping!